Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Codism with Farhana. This is me, Farhana bint Islam, and now I'm going to show you my recent project, which is SP.NET project, and the project name is Flight Book Ticket Booking Management System. And here I have used SP.NET version 8, and so now I'm going to show you all the things. And this is the landing page, and this is the registration and login. If the user find out their suitable location and if they want to book, so if they click book now button, so it will redirect to login page because user is not logged in. So, and if the user is not registered yet, so they have to must first registered. Okay, so here user can fill up their necessary information. Here you can see some password rules is given, so without fulfill it you cannot register. So you have to fulfill all the uppercase and some characters, star, hash, and not and also numerical terms and all of these things. After that it will be okay. So now you can see it is okay. So this is the user page. Now we are in user page. Okay, so after that you can search it here, Dhaka. You can see from which place we are using, and also two means where we are going. So this is, I give here Qatar, so this is take me Qatar. So after click book number 2, now it is working because you are in logged in. So now a user needs to update their details. So here phone number is missing and also image is missing. Now I am giving here a random phone number, and also I am trying to use here a image, random image. So okay, select it and save. So here you can see this is updated. Okay, so now you can book now. So otherwise some information is missing in our invoice, some information may be missing. Okay, so that's why it needs to update our profile, a user profile. Okay, so now book now. So here you can see how much seat is available. So okay, first of all I need to give my name. Okay, so I want to show you something here. So here you can see available seat are 150. So okay, I want to give some extra 160. So now what will happen, let's check. After confirmation, reduce 10 passenger, available seats are 150. That means we cannot take it, so we have to reduce first. So suppose 115, that means 15, and here you can see the total amount is already calculated. Okay, so if I give here 120, so that means okay, after confirm booking. So are you sure? Now it is working. Okay, okay, after that this is the payment page. Here you can see passenger name and also amount, and here you can see some options: Bikash, Nagod, and card. So I'm using here Nagod, and now click pay now, and this is the final invoice. So here you can see all the name, payment ID, payment date, status, and also transaction information, and also tax also added. Okay, so now click print. So okay, yes, this is the printing page. You can print it here. So okay, this is the printed option, but I don't need right now. Logged out. Okay, now I'm going to log in for admin. Okay, this is for admin, and this is the admin page, and here you can see snapper, some fields are different. Okay, inventory, here you can create a new tour. Okay, now I'm going to fill up here all the information as a admin. Okay, Okay, I'm adding here a suitable image and now create. So you can see, so there where is created. Okay, so now you can edit here, edit from here. Okay, I am changing here the money 5,000 taka, and also you can change the image also. Okay, let's change, and here you can see the created and updated date. Okay, update, and here you can see the price and all, also image is also changed, and you can view it from here. Okay, so and you can also delete it from here. Okay, so now you can see this is missing. Okay, that means it is deleted. And also here you can see all the admin information which I already given. Okay, so this is the part. So guys, we know that this is very tough to find out the sp.net tutorial with project, full project. So if you want the source code of this project, so let me know in comment section, and if you want the tutorial of this project, so you can also let me know in comment section. Okay, so till then, Allah Hafiz, assalamu alaikum.